In this guide, I'll walk you through building a simple funnel in GoHighLevel, perfect for capturing leads and guiding them through the first step of your sales process. If you want to follow along or try GoHighLevel yourself, there's a link in the description below for a free 14-day trial. A basic funnel usually includes 3 parts: a landing page, a form, and a thank you page. Let's set it up. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and opening the Funnels and Websites section from the left-hand menu. Click on Funnels and then select New Funnel. Give your funnel a name and save it. This creates the funnel framework where you'll add your pages. The first step is the landing page. GoHighLevel provides templates you can customize, or you can build one from scratch. Choose a template that matches your brand and edit it using the drag and drop builder. Add a headline that captures attention, supporting text that explains your offer and visuals that make the page engaging. Most importantly, place a clear call to action button, such as Get Started or Claim Your Free Guide. Link this button to your form so visitors know exactly what to do next. Next, create the form that will collect visitor details. In the funnel builder, add a form step or embed an existing form you've already created in the form section. Common fields include name, email, and phone number, but you can add custom questions to qualify leads. Once the form is designed, integrate it into your landing page so that when users click the call to action, they're directed to complete the form. After the form, you'll need a thank you page. Add another funnel step and select a thank you page template or design one from scratch. Use this page to confirm the form submission, thank the visitor for their interest, and outline the next steps. For example, you might say, "Thanks for signing up. Check your email for more details," or "We'll be in touch within 24 hours." You can also include links to other resources, social media, or even a scheduling calendar if you want to push leads further down the funnel. Once the 3 steps, landing page, form, and thank you page are in place, review your funnel flow. Test the process by visiting the landing page, filling out the form, and confirming that you're redirected to the thank you page. Adjust design elements, branding, or form fields as needed to ensure everything looks professional and functions smoothly. Finally, publish your funnel. GoHighLevel will provide a funnel URL you can share directly, or you can connect it to a custom domain for a branded experience. With your funnel live, you now have a simple but effective system to capture leads, deliver instant confirmation, and move prospects into your pipeline. If you're thinking about trying GoHighLevel, remember to check out the link in the description. It gives you a free 14-day trial so you can test everything we talked about and see if it fits your business.